This is the fun. I mean, the conversations are the fun part.
Yeah, I miss him. I totally fell in love with the guy.
Yeah.
And
Do you know where he went?
he's working with HIV patients, which I'm in awe at that, because a lot of people run away from people that have a disease or have illness, and he stepped right in. And he took me to my first procedure, and I didn't ask. He said, no, I'm going to pick you up. And on the way home, he said, John, I love you. Oh, Lord have
How
mercy.
sweet.
Yeah, yeah. And I've seen a picture of his daughter, so I thought, well, I guess.
She's about 2 or 3 maybe at the most.
Yeah, she's cute.
Is she darling?
Yeah. Just when you think your hopes are up, they're dashed. Damn it.
But you love him enough to know you want him happy.
Oh, he can't do any wrong in my eyes. Ever, ever. You know? In fact, I texted him yesterday because I've got his private text message because of the procedures I had. And I said, I thought about you. I thought about you. And I'm so grateful, and I'm inspired by what you do for the low, the less, the weary,
The ones who cry.
yes.
Okay.
I guess so. Okay, I'll shut
It
up.
gets to be in your blood, and then you just have to do it, right, Judy?
Yeah.
And especially in these days when you see so much of people not doing it.
Got it?
Yep.
I mean, listen. Yes. But there are always, you know, there's a
Except
lot.
your daughter, she got to come here after you adopted her.
Yeah. But she won the lottery because she got me.
Yes,
No, I'm
true.
just kidding.
Right.
I'm kidding.
No, why should you kid? You know you're right.
She did, I can say that. And you want to know another interesting story? Judy's dog overdosed on...
That's okay, honey.
Well, her name is Honey. My dog's name is Honey.
See, there you go.
So when she goes home, she says, honey, I'm
Hi,
home.
honey, I'm home.
Oh, really?
Isn't that cute?
That is the most beautiful thing in the world.
Yeah, now my dog OD'd on pot gummies this week.
Okay.
And I had to rush her to the emergency vet.
Oh.
And she was there for a couple days.
Oh.
She's okay. What is this fly? Ew.
On my foot?
Is it a fruit fly?
It was a fruit fly,
Oh,
just
give
like
me
the
a
last
break.
guy was talking about.
Gee.
There was a
I'll
client
wipe it
here that
down.
has an apartment that said they're fruit flies.
I'm gonna put a new glove on and we'll wipe that down. with
Oh,
alcohol.
honey, you don't. Okay. Oh, wait, your dog's not here. What am I saying?
You can call her honey, she likes it.
All right, so just want to make sure.
Oh, listen, can I ask you a question?
No, no more questions.
You asked me, that was a question.
Oh, well, then she won't answer them. You can.
Okay, I'll answer. I have to
My-
answer every question because I ask a million.
My BFF is next door, and he comes up every day to watch Judge Judy and a bunch of bullshit. And he said, "How come we don't get signs next door?" And I said, "Well, you're not invited."
They can come over here for sure. Call them up and tell them to come over.
Like this, they're just horrible.
Well,
Because
then
when
you
he was
probably
swimming
need care.
competition, he would do the flips at the end of.
We used to. But then I was ousted, so now I'm here with her alone, which is good because otherwise I wouldn't be seeing her.
Why were you ousted? Did you do something dirty, or did
Because I
you
would not
came
take
to
the
work nude or
vaccine.
something?
I would not take the vaccine,
Oh, okay.
so
Well,
they said bye-bye.
I'm not saying anything.
Oh, they don't care here.
So your skin is just really wet.
Mm-hmm. I thought it was dry.
The scaling to me looks like it's been really wet and staying wet.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure that you're, especially in this hot, humid weather, that you're changing your socks.
Or take them off at night. And
Yeah,
just
a couple
sleep without
times a
socks
day.
on.
Okay.
During the day, if they get wet.
Usually you wear
sweaty.
slippers without socks, is what we generally see.
No, but I haven't.
Okay.
Do you need new slippers?
Oh, honey, no. Well, bless your heart.
But I'm giving you new shoes. I'm gonna go to the car and get some.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
I am going to, because I have them and I don't want to carry them around forever.
Okay. That looks good. All right.
We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have like no residual, like, you know, sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.